Hi, this is Pallavi Verma, and in my previous video I have shown you how you can call a parameterized constructor and constructor with no argument. So in this video we will see how we can use super keyword. So let's get started. So inside this package I will create one class. Let's say super keyword, and I will include main method. Now I will create one more class here. So class, let's say super parent. So inside this parent class I will initialize few values. So int marks 89 and string name Pallavi. Now what I'll do is I will extend this parent class to this child class. So extends super parent. Now inside this child class I will initialize few values. So it's int marks and suppose it's 78 and string name Pallavi Verma. Now I will create one method here and I'll just log some statement. So public void check method. So inside this check method I will log some statements. Let's say marks, and marks would be marks, and same for name. So name, now it's name. Now I'll create the object of this super keyword. So super keyword object new super keyword. Now I have this object here and I'll access the check method using this object. So object dot check method. So what do you think? Once I call this check method, what would be the values? The values would be 78 or Pallavi Verma, or 89 or Pallavi. So since we have already inherited, we have already created the object, so what would be the answer? So it will print this value. Let's try. See, it is printing the child class variables. It is not at all printing parent class variables. So why it is not printing parent class variables? And I want to print this parent class variable. I don't want this value. I want this value. So how we can achieve this? Because we have created the object, we have extended the class, but still it is giving this. So we need to use the super keyword in this case. Why? Because this is a child and parent class relationship and the values are exactly the same. So what I'll do is I'll do sysout and parent marks, and it would be super dot marks. Same for name. So super dot name. So now if I run this code, it will print this value and this value, because this value will come from here and this value will come from here. So let's run it. See, first one is calling this and second one is this, because using this super keyword we can go to our parent class and we can take the data from there. Same thing will go when comes to the constructor part. So that also I will show you. This is how we can access the variables. Okay, so now I will go with the constructor part, and we will check what if we call super method. So that super method part I'll cover in my later video. So stay connected. I hope you like this video.